Hey guys, okay, here we are at the second job for today. We got a house wash, sidewalk driveway. Take a look at the sidewalk. Get all this cleaned up, get the gutters clean, painted driveway. So we'll just be downstreaming that and rinsing. It's actually a duplex, so we're going from halfway there around and back on the half of the other house. Not too bad a condition on the front. Go around the side here. Still not too bad. House on the lake back here, and then you can see all the gutters, downspouts, moldy. Yep, all across here, not a problem though, we can get that. And then we're just going to the halfway point right there. But yep, green mold, nothing we can't handle though. All right, stay tuned. Time to get to work.